Before jumping into building hardware, it's incredibly useful to test our ideas with simulation software. It gives us a clearer understanding of how different variables affect the final result, saving time, effort, and resources. In this experiment, we'll see exactly how adjusting just a few parameters in the software can lead to a drastically different sound pattern, showing us that simulation isn't just a step, but a crucial part of the design process. Before diving into simulations, it's important to assess APO accuracy. I simulated my measured driver in APO and compared the results with V2XCAD at different frequencies. These plots show that the simulation closely matches reality in terms of the directivity pattern. At this frequency, if the steps in the gated measurements were smaller, the results would likely be identical. In this tutorial, we'll create a cardioid pattern using only 2 drivers without any enclosures. You can think of them as 2 rear closed drivers. Simply follow these steps in your APO software. First, enter your driver specifications. If you want to understand the details, watch this series, but you can complete this experiment without it. In all APO sections, double-clicking opens the related window. Next, adjust this section to match your driver's shape. You can modify it based on your driver and these sketches. Since the axis is X, we need to separate the second driver by an X distance. We also need a second driver, which should be connected to the corresponding sections. Make sure to invert its polarity. The delay, which corresponds to the distance between the 2 drivers, is calculated by dividing the distance in meters by the speed of sound. Follow these settings carefully. Here's the result for a 5 cm distance. As you can see, the cardioid effect works up to 600 Hz, but in theory, the maximum frequency for a cardioid pattern is higher. We can experiment with different delays. let's try 3 centimeters to see how much reduction we get. If you replicate this setup in V2XCAD, the reduction appears larger, but I prefer APO for this case. Now, let's test a 10 centimeter distance. As seen in the results, the reduction is significantly greater than before, indicating a stronger directional pattern. This suggests that a 3 centimeter distance doesn't achieve a cardioid shape as effectively as a 10 centimeter distance. Thanks for watching.